Experience countryside living without giving up convenience at the Trails at Village Park. With home sites from a quarter to a third of an acre, this intimate community in Lancaster, Pennsylvania offers space, stunning views, and direct access to Village Park's green space. Enjoy walking trails, playgrounds, ball fields, and the YMCA, absolutely perfect for an active lifestyle. Choose from thoughtfully designed floor plans, including several options with first floor owner suites and a variety of design and structural customizations. Enjoy a prime location just minutes from downtown Lancaster, shopping, and the train station. You'll also be part of the highly rated Lancaster-Strasburg School District and within walking distance of local favorites like Lancaster Square, featuring a coffee shop, winery, and gift shop. If you want peaceful living without sacrificing access to everything you love, Trails at Village Park is the place to call home. Whether it's morning walks through the park or taking in beautiful sunsets from your backyard, this is a community designed for the way you want to live. Build your dream home at the Trails at Village Park.